Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of sustainable development in Scopus database. Authors of the paper are Mary Vijida Gomez, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Bharat Mata College, Sirkakara; Dr. Vineet K.M., Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Tripunithura. Sustainable development is the concept that human civilizations must live and satisfy their needs in such a way that future generations will be able to fulfill their own requirements in the future. A formal definition of sustainable development was produced for the first time in 1987 with the Brundtland Report serving as a source document. In particular, sustainable development is a method of arranging society in such a manner that it can continue to exist indefinitely. This entails taking into consideration both the immediate and long-term imperatives, such as the preservation of the environment and natural resources, as well as social and economic equality. Coming to the statement of the problem, a bibliometric analysis can highlight the most important documents, authors, sources, and so forth in a particular research area. This paper attempts to present the same results on the documents in the area of sustainable development as a keyword in Scopus database. Sustainable development is one of those prominent keywords getting attention in the recent times than before, and it has 3,30,737 documents from the database for the period 1968 to 2021. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. Before going into Scopus data, we have checked with Google Scholar to find the top 25 articles in the same using publish or perish application, which can produce up to 1000 documents, the data, bibliometric data. The article by H.E. Daly in 1996 has received a maximum number of citations, and he has also written a well-cited articles in 2017, even though article by J. Elliott in 2012 stands ranked 1 in Google Scholar considering other metrics. Coming to the documents by year, one could witness that there is a steep increase after 2000 in the number of publications in this particular area, and there are future accepted papers to be released in up to 2023 in this particular area. Coming to the most important sources, Journal of Cleaner Production, E3's Web of Conferences, Sustainability Journal from Switzerland, IOP Conference Series, Earth and Environmental Sciences, Advanced Material Research are the most important sources in this particular area. Coming to the documents by author by number of documents produced, Dinsa I, Geng Y, and other authors are found to be prominent, and you can see that even the 10th author is having more than 80 documents to his credit. Documents by affiliation shows that Chinese Academy of Sciences and Ministry of Education China is heading the list. A University of Chinese Academy is also again heading the list, and we can see that most of the institutions are concentrating in this particular area, and they have even the 10th institution has more than 1000 documents to their credit. Considering the documents by country or territory, China and United States are the major competitors, followed by United Kingdom, India, Germany, Australia, Italy, Canada, Spain, and France. Considering the documents by type, 51% of the articles, documents are research articles, followed by 32% of conference papers and 7% of reviews. Being a multidisciplinary topic, you could see that environmental sciences, engineering, social sciences, and energy are the major contributors, and the other domains are also contributing to this particular research area. In order to achieve human development goals, while also maintaining the ability of natural systems to deliver the natural resources and ecosystem services on which the economy and society rely, is sustainable development as an original concept. more research is expected in this domain in the light of sustainability development goals. Thank you very much for your patient listening.